Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium gets some sporty performance specs, like a 203 horsepower, 2.5 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine. You get all-wheel drive integrated management. You get multi-terrain select with mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow, and normal modes, and you get up to 33 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have multi-LED headlights with chrome bezels and integrated fog lights. We have 19-inch multi-spoke super chrome finished alloy wheels. We have a powered tilt-slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. We have a low-profile black painted roof rails. Get over 98 cubic feet of passenger space and up to over 69 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, you get a 7-inch touchscreen with Entune 3.0 audio with advanced voice recognition and hands-free phone capability. You get Bluetooth wireless technology. You get Siri Eyes-Free, Amazon Alexa, Apple CarPlay, and Scout GPS Link compatibility. You get the integrated backup camera with your projected path. And ask your dealer about Entune 3.0 Plus for an upgraded multimedia package. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium has Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Toyota Rav4, the XLE Premium might have all the features you need. So come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeen.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.